Willkommen bei der Swiss Traders Money Show mit dem Live-Trading vom Mittwoch, 20.07.22. Ein Mega-Anstieg wieder abgebaut. Unglaublich. Gestern Nachmittag und in der Nacht massiver Anstieg und Good Morning und ja, wenn wir das anschauen, ja, gestern Nachmittag, ich war da leider nicht da, massiver Anstieg und erwarten tut man irgendwie sowas. Da um 15.30 Uhr, oh, das waren wir schon hoch. Ja, also das Gap wäre da etwa bei 3,240. Ach, jetzt muss ich dann eigentlich bald raus. Ich habe da vorhin schon geschottet und bin ausgestoppt worden. Unglaublich. So hoch. Wir sind da am Vortageshoch. Ja, jetzt muss ich reduzieren. Es kann da um 9 Uhr natürlich auch raufgehen. Einfach nur sicher. I have to reduce because it can rise at 9 o'clock. Eröffnung in 3 Minuten, Opening in 3 minutes. Ja, I'm flat. Today I have to finish trading at 11:20, 11:30. What I think it will come down, but it's not yet sure. Maybe I only look for short in the morning. Jetzt nochmal nach Short schauen. Also bei einem sofort. Da ist die untere Opening Range natürlich Support. Ja, wir fallen runter. Bin ich da schon massiv drin mit 3,4. Das kann auch in die Augen gehen. Zuerst ein Rebound hierhin ist völlig möglich. Aber Dow saust wirklich nach unten. Dow ist jetzt an der unteren Opening Range. Also da ohne weiteres, die untere Opening Range ist immer ein Support. Was schlecht ist, der DXY sinkt kontinuierlich. Ja, jetzt kommt Dow unter die Opening Range. Dow falls below the opening range. Wir sind noch mit 0,5 drin. Wir haben einen Rebound, allenfalls ein Rebound nur bis hierhin, bis an die opening range. Maybe we have to rebound only to the opening range. I look at, yes, this rebound to the opening range, maybe we will come down more. As we come back to the opening range, stops at high H1. Back to PDHO. It's not so easy to trade this. Yes, I have here one long, but I kill it, I think. Yeah, it comes green. Boah. No. Let's look if we come over the 89. Poor. I would have to hedge with 2 to get neutral. So I hedged with 2.1. I put the stops away because I'm hedged. So I kill the hedge. Dow Jones rises over the opening range. Oh, delete this hedge. Oh, I didn't delete this hedge. Oh, shit happens. Oh, now I have... Yes, I forgot to delete the hedge. Very bad. That's difficult here. So I put the stops again at high H1. Oh. Now I have to be sure that I have no longs anymore. I think I'm in with too many contracts. And I'm not sure where to put the stop. Oh shit, I'm very in minus. Maybe I'm not really not sure. Mostly I have it too far away. what is cumbersome is if you have so many contracts, the positioning of the stop losses is cumbersome. It would be nice if you could position where this would be possible to make a routine which places the stops to the same limit. It's like a trailing stop. The gap doesn't seem to be closed yet. We have the first quarter of an hour passed. But we didn't go over the opening range. That means that we probably go down. But I entered with too much. Ja, ich habe den Titel abgeändert mit "Wird das Gap geschlossen?" Jetzt bin ich noch mit einem eingestiegen. Ja. Sind wir in der Mitte der Opening Range. Ich muss mir da was einschalten lassen. Mit einem Trailing Stop vielleicht. Oh Mann. Ja, below VWAP. Dow is at VWAP. Ja, Dow hier. Stopp, sehe ich gerade. Ah nein, das ist kein falscher Stopp. Das ist ein... Also ich rechne immer noch damit, dass es nicht über die Opening Range rübergeht. Boah. Ja, ich bin da DXY am Sinken. Das ist natürlich schlecht. Oh. Minus 132, scheiße. Ja, man darf sich von solchen Vorgaben nicht täuschen lassen. Also Sie sehen, ich habe da gerechnet mit einem Gap Close. Der auf jeden Fall nicht so schnell kommt. The gap close isn't coming as quickly as I thought. And where was the gap? The gap is at is about at 300. Yes. Here we have where we have the volume, the point of control. That's at 289, about 285. 285. Oh. Yes, and I have this take profits are wrong. Yes, they have to be here. 285. About. If ever we will have a gap close. Oh. Dow falls like DXY falls to the PDL, and that will not allow to fall Dax and Dow. Oh, that's very bad here. That brings Dow to rise. Oh, Dow goes over the opening range. as dxy, dxy sinks to PDL, and therefore, oh shit, minus 200. Yes, it's just a play of currencies. It's just a play of currencies. Hope that dxy can go up again. So we come down again. We didn't yet went above the opening range, but I'm still minus. So we come down. I'm in plus now. Oh, I think I marked it at former times, this level. Let's watch if we can go below the opening range. Where is the opening range? 4.7. We are at 5.9. 5.5. We go below the opening range. Now, maybe, now, oh, yes. It comes, now we are below, but we have to look if we make a new low. 4.7, exactly at the low opening range. Maybe I kill some. Yes, the opening range still holds. I killed. Oh, I'm still in with 2.8. It's still a lot. But we rebound at the opening range. I think it takes a lot to go below. But now I remain short. I try to get in here. it's difficult to go short here because it might rebound. So I hedge. I have to place the stops here again. These buys, they are nothing. Yes, I think we will fall down, but we think the lower opening range holds temporarily. I put some stop cells below. I think there is it won't come over the PDH. So I have to put the stops again over here. But I'm in with too much. Up to now, the high H1 has held. Has held. So I think we will sometimes come down. Yes. The XY rises, Dow falls, but not yet below the opening range. Yes, we go up with DXY. That would mean that we come down with Dax, with Dow, and naturally Dax too. Yes, Dow now falls. So, I'm in with 6.1. Look at the volume. We dive below. Yes. I kill some assets. But we come down more. I still have this one which is negative. I'm still in with 3. Yes, I was too optimistic first. So I have to kill. No, now it comes down. I'm still with 3.1. This one is now in plus. The previous one. Let's see if we make a new low. Oh, now it's good. Maybe we will close the gap. I kill the big ones. I'm 1.7 now. Do we close the gap? Nearly. It's normal that we run over the gap, but there is some support, so I kill. So I'm only in with 0.5. The risk is slow. Is low. We DXY. I'm only in with 0.1. So I have a win of 105. So I just wait now. Win of 107. I think this could be only a B. So I put a stop sell in. We will reach this, I think. We will reach the gap. But I don't want to run a too big risk. So, and if I what is important, I'm now over 2,000. I have to pay out 1,000 that I don't have too much money in the account. 1,000 is enough. with 1000 I could have about 10 contracts with mit dem Hebel 1:500. Here I trade with a leverage from 1 to 500, and I even can trade with $1,000. I can trade with 5 or 6 contracts without problem, and so I have to pay out. So I'm in with a 1. I don't know. Not. I thought it was a 1. A 1 is too much here, because we don't know if we will reach this. So I now entered with a 1. And now let's suppose that we close the gap. It's below 13,300. Now we bounce from the 100. Yes, I think we have closed the gap. Unfortunately, I'm not in with much. .8, but I fear the rebound, so I kill everything. I'm plus 150. Oh, the raincoat does not seem to go up yet, although the gap seems to be closed. Put another stop then, but only with 0.1. Yes, we see Dow is at the projection at pre-day close. This could be a turn here. I'd rather close this. Just read. Yes. Yes, we rebounded from 300, but that does not mean that we are not long at all. We are yes, Dow goes down again. We even close more than the gap. So I put in a 1. We go below further. Oh, with 8.5 we have, in principle, we have the gap. but I think we run lower. Because normally if a gap is closed, we run a bit farther down. Ja, eben wenn ein Gap geschlossen wird, bei 8,5 war der eigentlich geschlossen. Aber meistens gehen wir noch ein bisschen weiter nach unten, bis es wieder nach oben kommt. Ja, und Dow saust runter. Ja, wir sausen weiter nach unten. Es könnte da noch viel runtergehen, weil es gestern ja so massiv raufgestiegen ist, aber wie weit wir kommen, ist wirklich unbestimmt. Ich kille die mal. Oh, so. Ich habe jetzt 122. Jetzt wirklich hier unten unter der Opening Range. Unsicher. DXY sinkt hier wieder. Aber wir sind lange weg von einer Wende. I think the turn will come earliest and at 10:30. But I think we will go farther down. And I don't have we have the hourly. Yes, if we have the hourly, we have here a big potential to fall. Still below. There's a big potential to fall even more. And here we have some support. It's the yesterday's close. But we have to close the gap. Yes, and DXY rises again. If you make a feeble retracement here, what can we? The 50 would be here. 38. Yes, DXY rises. I think this green 15-minute bar is only temporary. Ooh. Yes, it is after the gap close. Oh, missed. I buy a bit. But I'm convinced that we are not yet turning up. We are in a downtrend still. Oh, these hedges don't bring anything. No. They are difficult to eliminate. Brings nothing. It's better to it does not bring anything, these hedges. So I put the stops over the opening range. Oh, underestimated the closing of the gap. This gives a big reaction. As Dow goes back to the PDH, yes, this B is, maybe it's A, B, C, but it is larger than I thought. It's about 33 points up to now. The rebound, even more. Yes, be careful. After the gap close, it can rebound extremely. One has to measure the rebound. If it is more than 60%, you have to go out. Because if you measure from here to here, now it goes down. So I just put 2 ones in. Oh, I didn't want to trade so heavily yet. But it doesn't matter. So do we go down or not? We are still at gap close, near the gap close, and rebound. Dow goes down again. Yes, Dax comes below the opening range. Maybe this is a C. A, B, C. It should go down here. Maybe the same distance, even below low H1. So I'm still with 1.6. I erased the 2 ones and I get the wins so far because I'm in with too many contracts. So 0.7 is a good risk. Maybe we will have a C that will come even deeper. This is a big resistance here. I get in the wins. Maybe we will make a double bottom here, or maybe these rebounds we see in Dow Jones here, they are caused by securing or by short his which entry. So I enter with new stop sells. Yes, I think there's a danger of making a bottom. Minus 17. Yes, we have massive rebounds. We now rebounds to the PDH. Massive rebounds. Du bist da. Oh man. Yes, the rebounds are so massive. Yeah, I have to kill the shorts here. it's crazy, just crazy, this rebound. Yeah, over the PDH with Dow. So I will cease trading soon. That's the movements, they are very unpredictable, just crazy. It's really crazy. It's a V-turn, but I'm still sure it will go down again. But I just trade with very many, and I will pay out $1,000 that I don't risk so much. I will now I have 126. Yes, it's time to get paid out. Oh, that. Yes. IC market is very fast with paying in and paying out. So I pay out 1,000, but this can go longer. If you pay out, it takes maybe. Oh no, I'm still wrong. So I'm hedged now. Just wait. That's incredible. Yes, but that's incredible. This zigzag. I bought another Who would expect such a rebound? No, it's just insane. I placed the stop near. We're going back to the opening range, but I leave the short because I'm convinced we will come down again. They are stopped out. So just wait. I think we will come down again. We don't have reached oops, just crazy back and forth. I will place the stop at the opening range above the opening range. No, incredible. You would not expect such movements. Oh. A bit above the opening range. Dow comes over the opening range, in the opening range again. What have I'm not so. So. It's incredible. I see it very well on the 15-minute chart with my vertical screen. Bah. Now you would not believe that. It's just crazy. 10, 13. It's not normal, these movements. No. Now we are PDs, we get stopped out. Yes. You would not think now I make a close all because I didn't have the overview from buying and selling. So I go short again. That's just incredible. I wanted to enter with one, but that's too risky. We don't know what we see here. Yes. Don't dare to go with one. Yes, I wouldn't have thought that we have such a rebound when we closed the gap. I don't hedge. I don't hedge anymore because it made a mess. It makes a mess. It's too hard to discriminate between hedges and others. So I put two stop sell with ones. So I have two ones where I'm short with. So now we go back. I thought we are not definitely long yet, but I kill this long. It's too risky. Yes, we fall again. I killed one, and now I will look at the rest. I'm still short with 1.8. I don't remember how many I had before. It's just 103 now. Dow is at a PDH. Goes below PDH. So we go back to the gap. I have to get in some wins. I'm still in with 1.3. So I don't trade, I have to, I just kill everything. Oh, I have to leave. And I made 158. Yes. I think it's enough. And yes, we don't have a. We're just in a range where we bounce back and forth. Maybe only in the afternoon we will have nice movements again. These movements now are not nice to trade. And then have doesn't bring anything. We have 317. Maybe it takes a lot of energy to go below the gap. Ja, also ich glaube, dass wir hier, ja, wahrscheinlich kommen wir noch weiter nach unten, aber wir haben das Gap geclosed und das genau, ja, vielleicht 10 Punkte mehr, das war bei 85 der Schluss. Und jetzt haben wir einfach ein Gehickhacke hin und her. Kann jetzt sein, dass es noch der Rest des Morgens nur noch so hin und her hackt oder dass es wieder steigt über Mittag. Und ja, ich höre jetzt auf. Es ist einfach diese Hick-Hack-Zone ist einfach nicht schön zu traden. Wir wissen jetzt momentan nicht short oder long. We don't know if we should go short or long. Yeah, maybe it's a very small short here, but nevertheless I have to leave at 11:30. It's only 10:30. Well, that does not behave nice in a nice manner. Just don't know what we make here. If we go further down, or if we have a support. No. It's just not nice anymore. And what concerns money management, I paid out $1,000. As soon as I have some wins, I will pay out it. This reduces the risk that you lose it in an unexpected move. And now we go up again. Oh, it's really dirty movements. We don't know where to go. No, that doesn't bring anything. Just back and forth movements. We absolutely don't know the direction. Hedging has only a sense to find the direction. I just will just wait until 10:30. So I bought again. But this brings nothing, totally nothing. just back and forth. Now another cell. Yes, in such environment, you will lose your wins you already have. It's just back and forth. As in trends are contradicting, Dow is rising. And now it's falling. Yes, but it's not nice to trade here. So I put another cell. It's this 300 which is the resistance. Just wait for some minutes, but afterwards I finish because I can't see any direction. It's rather an uptrend here. Yes, it's nothing clear. It looks like a temporary uptrend. So I bought 3, and it is important to sort to the type. Now it goes down again. It's very unclear. Maybe it's just a rebound from 300 and we will come back. I I think this is, yes, it's unclear, really unclear. So Jones comes down again. Yes, now I expect Dax to fall again. It goes to plus. As Jones falls now, but it's not a nice movement. I will. Does Dax make a new trend? Down new trend. Dax makes a new trend here. Maybe I reduce risk. We have rebounds. So I kill all. I don't like this play. Yes, we just don't know where to go. We see it in the. Honestly, I thought we will not only close the gap that we go farther down. So, and I have 147. I think that would be my daily win. I have to go away and I close the yes, the upgap was closed, but very exactly, and it's not true if we go down here again. It's just a triangle, a symmetrical triangle, where we don't know if we go down or if we go up. And just zigzag. Yes, it's the best way. The best thing is to close everything. In the afternoon, I have to revise the second PC. I put a new motherboard in so that my wife can trade too. So I was tempted to sell again. Just some minutes. We had, what opening range do we have? That's 52. It's a normal opening range dimension. Wow. No, that's nothing. So, yes, at the moment we don't know where to go, and 1040 is normally the time for trend change. Maybe it will go up. We have a symmetrical triangle and we don't know exactly where to go. So I end the stream and bye.